Welcome to our channel. Drone photography can transform your travel memories into stunning aerial masterpieces. Step 1. Research local drone laws and regulations before your trip. Many countries require registration or have restricted airspace. Step 2. Check weather conditions before flying. Avoid strong winds, rain, and low visibility. Step 3. Scout your location in advance to identify interesting compositions and safe takeoff areas. Step 4. Ensure your drone's battery is fully charged and bring spares for extended shooting sessions. Step 5. Start with basic shots like slow pans and gentle ascents to establish the scene. Step 6. Use the rule of thirds for composition and include foreground elements for depth. Step 7. Shoot during golden hour for warm, dramatic lighting that enhances landscapes. Step 8. Experiment with different altitudes and angles to find unique perspectives. Step 9. Always maintain visual contact with your drone and be aware of your surroundings. Step 10. Back up your footage immediately to avoid losing precious memories. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.